It's where it should be, in a bowl, in the tub, or the deep blue sea. We wash our hands and clean our face, but splash in the floor, not the right place. Drip, drop, splish, splash, little toes wiggle, but puddles on tiles can make us giggle until someone slips. Oh no, down they go. Let's keep things safe and take it slow. The sink is for water, not for the wall, not for a flood in the middle of the hall. When you're done with washing hands, keep the water in the sink, that's the plan. If you spill just a drop or a little bit more, grab a towel and wipe the floor. Big kids clean and that's just right. We don't leave puddles in plain sight. Rub-a-dub in the tub, splash with care. Water and light stay mostly there. If you throw it out, it makes a mess. And cleaning up, that's not much fun, I guess. We don't water chairs or water our shoes. Water is not for the bedroom news. The sink is like a little sea, but not the place for a jumping spree. The floor is dry, it likes it that way. Let's keep the water splash at bay. If you're washing hands or brushing teeth, no need to flood the floor beneath. So next time water is part of your play, think before you splash away. Keep it gentle, neat, and cool. That's the no splash safety rule. Sing this rhyme and you'll remember more. Water belongs not on the floor. Happy hands and shiny sinks. Now you're clever, what do you think?